The pavement is biting cold. Your breath is a white cloud in the morning air. And you are staring at your phone screen, trying to decide which digital voice is going to guide your feet today. It is a choice between two very different worlds, two distinct philosophies on what it means to be a runner. On one side, you have the architect of your success. This app doesn't just watch you move, it plans your entire life around the finish line. It is for the person who wakes up with a goal, a specific number, a date on the calendar that feels like a looming mountain. This platform takes your current fitness, your past struggles, and your future aspirations, and it weaves them into a personalized map. It tells you exactly when to push, when to hold back, and how to recover. It integrates with your favorite high-end watches and fitness trackers, pulling in every bit of data to make sure your training is efficient. But this level of precision comes with a literal price. You are investing in a subscription, paying for the expertise of a digital coach that never takes a day off. It is a serious tool for a serious goal. Then, you have the other path, the path of the hype man. This is the app that feels like a global party. It is completely free, which feels like a relic of a different era. There are no hidden fees, no locked features, just a library of guided runs led by professional voices. These coaches don't just talk about pace, they talk about life. They tell stories. They help you overcome the mental fog that makes you want to stop. It is the perfect companion for the beginner or the casual jogger who wants to stay motivated. The community challenges and social features make you feel like you are part of something bigger than your local sidewalk. However, if you are chasing a specific personal record, you might find the lack of deep analytics a bit frustrating. It is built for the masses, not for the individual who wants to dissect every interval. One is a scalpel, sharp and precise, while the other is a megaphone, loud and inspiring. Both apps are gathering your data, tracking your heart rate, and following your movements, so be mindful of your privacy settings. You have to look at your own goals. Are you running to clear your head? Or are you running to break a record? Do you need a coach who demands discipline? Or a friend who provides encouragement? The choice between a paid subscription for structured excellence and a free platform for community motivation will define your next 100 miles. Your shoes are already laced. The satellite is locked on. Now you just have to decide which philosophy will carry you home. There is no wrong answer, only the one that keeps you moving forward, one step at a time. Every mile you record is a testament to the work you put in, and whether you want a drill sergeant or a cheerleader, the technology is there to bridge the gap. Just ensure you enjoy the scenery while you chase those new milestones.